Yeah, hi, side Anu. I just brought my child here. I was struggling too much. I just brought my child to Trisha Development Neuro Center. I was struggling with him with many challenges. I was not able to take him anywhere. So, first of all, I will tell you what initial challenges I faced with my child, right? So, initially, when I used to take him anywhere, so he was not able to do eye contact. If anybody used to call him, he just denied and he was not responding on his name. And apart from that, if we were going for movie or dinner date or to our relatives in friend house, he was not sitting at his place, right? So he was we just came across about his hyperactivity, that he is an hyperactive child. Then according to his age, he was delayed in speech also. Many of our friends and family members, they told us to go for the speech therapy also. He was very poor at attention. He was not able to merge with the people. He was not socially active. And I started my child therapy around when he was 4 years, right? I just ended around 5 year 2 months. So I took this therapy for 1.5 years, 1.2 years. Right? So now I will tell the after therapy part, like what improvement I just came across with the therapy that I took with Trisha Development Neuro Center. So that was a major change I faced. After therapy, he is very normal at school. I am being appreciated on his name. His speech came across. He is able to read and write, and he is performing on the stage very well. He is active on sports area. He is merging with the children. He is sitting at his place. His attention span increased a lot. So this is what I just want to tell each and everyone, what improvement, what changes, what benefit I got through this therapy. So this is a great gift from this center, from Ekta ma'am to me. Do join Trisha Neurodevelopment Clinic or TNDC. It is easily available. You can go through Instagram also, online also, and YouTube channels are also available. And I would like to thank whole Ekta ma'am team. Firstly, Ekta ma'am, then Diksha, Priya and Shaurya. They have a great team. They are very eco-friendly. They love children and they really support. So I just come to Ekta ma'am, and she used to help me on emotional side also. She just had one-to-one session with me, and she made me calm there, because sometimes you lose temper when you have hyperactive child. She supported me in the whole journey. It's a great help for me and my child at this stage. And thank you for everything, ma'am.